In this video, I'm going to review the Blackboard resources for this class. So this is the opening page that you will see in Blackboard for this course. And as you see, there is one folder for each week of the semester. And before you start with any of the weekly materials, you must first complete the tasks listed in Start Here folder. That is the beginning of the semester, kind of getting oriented for the class. So in this folder, there are 4 mandatory tasks that you have to complete, and they are listed here. And then there are some resources that are available that you can review. The first one is there are a bunch of videos here, a few of them. There are basic general information about the class. Then you need to view these. They're not too long, so you need to view these videos. Then task number 2 is understanding your syllabus. And here is your syllabus. Download the syllabus, and there is a video on this, and you watch the video. Click this link to download the syllabus. And if you see this screen, do not click request access. There is no need for you to click request access, and I will not be responding to these requests because what you need to do is to click switch accounts and switch it to your marks.utc.edu account. And when you switch over to the marks.utc.edu account, the document will automatically download. And this is true for all the links that I have provided for documents. If you're logged in with your marks.utc.edu account, then it will automatically open. Otherwise, it will give you that screen where you can switch to the marks.utc.edu account, and then you will have access to all the documents. There is no need for you to wait for me to give permission, and there is no need for me to give any permission at all, because if you log in with Marks ID, you will have access to all of those resources. And also here is some instructions about using the online or utilizing online office hours that I offer. And here is a document that shows you how to log into Zoom video meetings. Then the third task is the academic acknowledgement. That's a requirement all across campus. So you need to read the honor code or honor pledge, and then this is a survey or a test that you have to complete. Okay. You click that and you click continue next, and there are 2 questions that you have to answer. The first question has 2 boxes and you have to check both of them. Okay, one for acknowledging that you've read and understood the honor code pledge, and the second one is that you agree to the honor code pledge. Now question number 2 also has 2 bubbles here, and you have to choose one of them. Okay, of course you can choose only one of them, but you need to choose the second one, because the first one says the course syllabus is not available for this course. That's not true. It is available. So you need to review and understand it. So you have to select the second bubble and then click Save and Submit. Then the fourth task is buying the textbook and registering for MyOM Lab access. So there are some instructions given here. I've already gone over the 3 options that we have, and this is the link that you will use to register for MyOM Lab access. And remember that you need to make sure that the semester and the CRN numbers match, and also remember that you get 2 weeks free access, so you don't have to wait. If you need to get your financial assistance in order to buy access, you don't have to wait for that to come through, because you do get 2 weeks of free access, and in other words, you get 2 weeks to pay for your access. In the to do this week page, you will not only see the start here folder, but you will see one folder for each of the 7 weeks of the semester. And each week, even before you enter the folder, you will see the chapters that are covered and what are the assessments that you have to complete and the due dates for those assessments. So then you click the folder link and you will see 2 folders in each week. So there is classwork and then assessment. So click the classwork first, and then you will see what are the different modules that you have to complete. So here is chapter 1, operations and productivity. You need to complete all the lessons listed in this learning module. And then there is chapter 3, project management. Again, you have to complete all the lessons listed in this learning module. So you click this link, that will take you to the learning module of the given chapter, and the learning objectives are listed at the top and what kind of assessment will be made for those objectives. And then you have chapter files. You have a PowerPoint file, and we have class problems Word document that has all the problems that we will be working as class material. And then there is completed class problem as a PDF file. Okay. And then you watch the videos. Okay. And if a lesson requires you to work problems out, make sure that you print the document and work the problem along with me in the video. So that way you will understand the problem better. So make sure that you complete all the lessons, and if there are problems, make sure that you work the problems along with me. So once that is completed, then the second set of lessons for week 1 is project management. Again, you have the same format, objectives, assessments, and the chapter files. Now in this chapter, in addition to the PowerPoint file and the Word document and the PDF, we also have an Excel file, and that's because one of the lessons involves using Excel, which is right here. Lesson number 5, using Excel. So I have provided a Excel shell file, and you'll use that shell file to complete that problem. And I also have normal probability table as a PDF file, which you need in one of the lessons. So all the files or materials that you need to complete the lessons will be here at the top right after the learning objectives. So once you have completed all the lessons, then you go to the assessments. So here week 1 assessments, click that, and you have a list of assessments. There is study plan, there is test, and there is homework. Now homework should be completed and uploaded in Blackboard. Okay, you have to make sure that you make a scan of the homework, a high quality scan, easily readable, and you must show all your work. If you don't show your work, you will get 0 for homework. All the details must be shown, and then you should upload it in Blackboard. Okay, and I'll talk more about the study plan when I discuss my OM lab. So here we have chapter 1 assessments and chapter 3 assessments, which are due for week 1. So every week you will see the same pattern, classwork and assessment. You have to first complete the classwork and then you complete the assessment. Now I also have direct link to other resources that you can use from the tabs here, but this is the tab that is most important, and this is enough. You can get to any other information from here. Okay, and instructor page. Okay, I'll have the course coach information added here a little later after I get all the information. And here is a link for syllabus, a direct link to syllabus, and the textbook information here, which already we went over. And then my OM lab links if you want to go to my OM lab directly with bypassing the to do this week folders. And then if you have any questions that you want to post, you can use the discussion QA. So you use this link for any general questions, but anything particular to a chapter, classwork or homework, you use this forum.